First, make sure you have your clips and overlays imported and ready to go in your timeline. Now click on your overlay track, scrub through, find the exact section you want to use, and drag it directly above your first clip. Right-click the overlay layer, go to blending mode and select screen. This instantly knocks out the black background. To add some motion, press S to open the scale property. Set a couple of keyframes to animate the scale for a smooth zoom. Now simply repeat this exact process for your next clip down the line. Right-click an empty space, go to New, and create an adjustment layer. Place it at the very top of your timeline. Apply your custom CC. And you've created a simple TikTok edit.